Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Root Beer here, and I'm welcoming you back to question number 23 on our grade 8 Gauss paper. The trapezoid shown has a height of 12 and a base of 16 and an area of 162 centimeters squared, and I'm also noticing a nice little right angle triangle here. Or, not a right angle triangle, I'm noticing a right angle. And we're just being asked, what is the perimeter of the trapezoid? Okay. So we got a height of 12, and we got 16 there. Now, it's a trapezoid. It's not just any old quadrilateral. Because it's a trapezoid, we know that one side is parallel to the other. So we get 12, but then this side here is parallel to the side length of 16. And this right angle here makes me think, oh, maybe I should drop a nice little right angle down here. Because then I get a triangle, and I get a rectangle. Rectangle whose height I know, and we might be able to work out from the 162 what the possible areas for these triangles are, and then maybe figure out the hypotenuse here. That's certainly a plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this line out here, and this height here, and what I've got is a full sort of rectangle. A full rectangle whose area will be 12 times 16. So area is 12 times 16. Okay, and we can grab our calculator if we want to, and we see that the total area here is 192. But the area of my trapezoid is only 162. So if I take the rectangle and I take away the trapezoid, what's left? An area of 30 for this triangle here. But I know the height of the triangle is 12. What's the base of the triangle got to be? So 30 is 1/2 base. Maybe I'll call it B up here. Times height 12. So 30 is 6 times the base. The base has got to be 5. Okay. So now we can clean this up a little bit. We'll put the base in red. So the base here is 5. And now that I've sort of dropped this nice little perpendicular here, I've got 5 here. What's left over? Well, this has got to be a length of 11. Okay. So we've got a 12 here, therefore a 12 here. And now looking here at this little red triangle, it's a right angle triangle, so by Pythagoras, we can see that, maybe call this x, or no, h for hypotenuse. H squared is going to be 5 squared plus 12 squared. Now, you might recognize that if you're familiar with Pythagorean triples. You might not, in which case that's okay. Grab your calculator. But h is going to end up being 13. So now my trapezoid, I've got the top. We worked that out as 11. We've got 12. We've got 16. And we've got 13. You can add them up. 12 and 13 is 25. 11 and 16 is 27. So if you add that all up, you'll get 52 for the perimeter. Is 52 one of the options? Absolutely it is. It's sitting right there. It's B. So we bubble in B, and then we can move right along to question number 24. I'll see you for that in the following video. Take care.